Hey guys, so we're here at Lowe's getting ready to shop for our new project.
How to make your walls pop. Let's go.
Okay, I bet you thought this was the same day. It is not. It is a new day, about a week later. But we got all the materials that we bought at Lowe's in the garage, and we're about to put this awesome situation together.
And it's snowing.
It's snowing. Let's go inside. Okay, we're inside, and we've already done some work. So we want to make one of our Airbnbs more Instagrammable. We want to make a wall that wows, like make it pop. We were thinking something with paneling, but not as paneling as you know it.
No, and in the past we've done temporary wallpaper, we've done full paneling, and of course you can always make a wall pop with paint, but we want to do something a little more artistic.
Yeah. And
you really love your Sputnik and sea urchin situations, so we're trying to do a likeness of that through wood. With wood.
Yeah. So let me show you what we're doing.
Let's see.
Okay. So we've laid it out kind of on the floor.
All right.
It's very
So actually,
high-tech.
if you see the blue paint, that would represent
Blue tape.
the blue tape. If you see the blue tape, that would represent the walls of the space. I hope you can see it. And then if you see the green tape, that is our closet door. And then this is our bed frame.
And it's all to scale, and we just did this because you can do it with graph paper, you can do it on the computer, but it was kind of nice since like we didn't know how this was gonna look for us to like lay it out and like just see.
So we originally sketched this out, and let me show you here.
Very fancy.
Now, you see the closet door, the headboard isn't in the sketch, but we wanted to place the starbursts or the Sputniks around the headboard so that it kind of fills the wall. Now, Sarah, how are we painting these?
Okay, so this whole thing is inspired by the way the Airbnb bedroom looks right now. There's a really pretty green pillow on the bed. I want to put that all on the wall. And then we're going to paint the Sputniks this really cool gold paint that is offered by Valspar. It's actually a two-step process, so it's very fancy. I think it's going to look amazing. Simple, but amazing, big, awesome, different. Yeah.
Easy to do, big impact. Yeah. So Lo gave us some really cool tools that we get to showcase on this project.
Yeah.
What do we get, Sarah?
We got a jigsaw, we got an orbital sander, we got a level, and we got a new shop vac.
Shop vac.
So we can get this garage back to where it was. If you haven't seen us create the garage you see now, check out that video. It's pretty baller.
She's right about that. Now, we kind of got started here. There's just a few.
We were just like laying it out, seeing how it looks.
So some finishing touches. We got to do the circles.
Yep.
And get painting.
Get using that jigsaw, that sander.
Right.
And then put it on the wall.
Let's get started.
Boom. All we have left is to paint the pieces of wood with this two-step process by Valspar, and that's it.
So we'll see you on install day. All right, so we are in the middle of finishing this wall, and
you guys, it's never as easy as you think it's gonna be. I'm just trying to be rural.
It's turning out nice.
It is turning out nice.
There's going to be some touch-ups and some caulking that we're going to have to mess with. So it's a day project. I was hoping it was going to be like a half-day project. But,
anyway, we're moving along. Okay, here's what you have to think about if you want your wall to really pop. So we decided to encompass the entire wall, which is something you can do or not do. It's up to you. We also decided to do a color on the wall that is different from the rest of the room, which is your typical accent wall. But then on top of that, we threw metallic gold paint onto a 3-dimensional piece of wood planking, right? So it pops like with the different finish and with it coming off the wall.
Right.
Yeah, so those are some different things you can think about if you want your wall to pop. Let's talk paint colors for this project. We decided to use Valspar Signature, which is an amazing line of paint. It actually covers pretty well. I went with a dark green, so it could be a big contrast to the white walls that are next to it. This is called Germinating Green. It's so pretty. Okay, and then for this situation, Valspar has this architectural line of paint. You can get different textures. You can do plaster. We decided to use their Brilliant Metal line, which is baller. You do a base coat first. We did 2 coats of that, and then you could either spray on the top coat, which is like metallic-y, or if you use a thinner nap, so a 1/4-inch nap, it'll make it really smooth and shiny and amazing and pretty and get you this situation. Okay, Nick's gonna talk about the wood and what kind of we used and what inspired it. So, Nick.
Okay, let's talk about materials and design. We use Select Pine on this project. Great straight boards are something that you're going to want to look for in the store, so make sure that everything is straight and true. However, that's not going to save you from the walls if your walls are wavy, so you're going to have to account for that as well. So bring some shims just in case. Now, as far as design is concerned, we were basing this off of, or inspired, I should say, by the sea urchins that were originally on the wall, but it didn't fill the space, and we wanted to kind of keep that same type of archetype alive. So, but I also wanted to keep it simple, so we weren't too detailed and here all day long. But, so we kept it simple. We kept 45-degree angles and really just messed with the thickness of 1x3s and 1x2s. So you have a hierarchy of your pieces of wood. And then of course we used a hole saw cutter to finish off the ends to give it a nice kind of, well, I guess a little more creative feel to the space. But use your imagination. There are no rules on this. So if you want to go bigger, smaller, more complex, have fun with it. So we are going to finish this last burst. We are almost done, and
so excited.
It's been a long day.
So next time we see you, it'll be done, it'll be beautiful. We're really excited to show it to you.
Yeah.
We did it, and it looks really good. It may have taken us a little longer than we thought per usual, but we totally recommend you having fun with paints and wood paneling. Make those walls pop, make walls that wow. Have fun.
We want to thank Lowe's for sponsoring this video, and for other great Lowe's videos, check out their link. Also, if you want to know any of the tools or products that we used in this video, check out the links below.
Yeah. And then follow us over on Instagram. We are on there daily, being weird and crazy. At Nestrs, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.